Leonardo da Vinci was a master of sacred geometry, and the Last Supper is filled with it. Let's break it down. The V shape, sacred feminine. The space between Jesus and the figure next to him, likely Mary Magdalene, creates a clear V shape. In esoteric traditions, V represents the divine feminine, the womb, and creation. This suggests a hidden duality, Jesus as the masculine force and Mary as the feminine counterpart, reinforcing balance. The Phi ratio. Golden ratio. The entire painting aligns with the golden ratio, Phi tilde 1.618, which Da Vinci was obsessed with. If you measure key facial positions, hand placements, and the positioning of the table, you'll find proportions that fit Fibonacci sequencing. This creates a natural aesthetic harmony. Da Vinci hid divine mathematics within the composition. The triangular structure. Trinity symbolism. Jesus forms a perfect equilateral triangle with his posture. This symbolizes the Holy Trinity, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, in Christian terms, but also echoes Pythagorean sacred geometry. It represents stability, divine structure, and enlightenment. Hidden Star of David. Some researchers believe that if you overlay a Star of David on the painting, key points, faces, hands, and plates align perfectly. This could symbolize the union of opposites, male and female, above and below, aligning with alchemy and Hermeticism. The number 3. Trinity, alchemy, Freemasonry. The disciples are grouped in threes, reinforcing the sacred power of triads. 3 windows behind Jesus equals Christian Trinity, a Hermetic as above, so below, and the middle path. 3 by 4 layout, 4 groups of 3 disciples, equals 12 signs of the zodiac, astrology. Vanishing point equals Jesus' third eye. The 1-point perspective in the painting converges at Jesus' head, right at his third eye. This suggests Jesus is the source of divine wisdom and enlightenment. In esoteric teachings, the third eye, pineal gland, represents spiritual awakening. The hidden cube. If you extend the perspective lines, a perfect cube is formed around the central scene. In sacred geometry, a cube represents material reality, the foundation of the physical world. Could this suggest the material world, the cube, is controlled by those who change the message of Jesus? Ice. Conclusion. The Last Supper is a code. Da Vinci embedded sacred geometry, numerology, and esoteric messages into the Last Supper. This is not just a religious painting, it's a blueprint of hidden knowledge. The V for the divine feminine, the golden ratio, the triangle of divinity, and the hidden cube suggest that what we see is not the full truth. Da Vinci, a known initiatory thinker, may have hidden knowledge about Mary Magdalene, sacred duality, and the cosmic order in plain sight. Leonardo da Vinci was not just a painter. He was a keeper of knowledge, a master of secrets, an initiate of something far older than the Renaissance itself. The Last Supper is not just a depiction of a meal, it is a puzzle, a coded message hiding in plain sight. The sacred geometry, the placement of figures, the hidden symbols, none of it is accidental. What was Da Vinci trying to tell us? What knowledge was he encoding into this masterpiece? And more importantly, why was it hidden? If the truth has been manipulated for centuries, if history itself has been rewritten to serve an agenda, what else have we been blind to? It's time to look beyond the surface. It's time to seek the hidden knowledge that was never meant to be found. Drop a comment if you see the hidden patterns. Follow for more ancient mystery breakdowns. Please like, follow, sub. And always remember the lion watches.